Okay,
These
I woke up
Bigfoot
on a
and Yeti
glacier.
AI
Don't
videos are
ask
going
how.
super viral right now. While I was browsing the internet, I came across a YouTube channel that really surprised me. It was made just 7 days ago and already has over 1 million views. The channel only has 6 videos, and every single one has gone viral. It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Let's check out this channel. As I mentioned, this channel has 1,910,237 views and 77,000 subscribers. It was created on June 11th, 2025, and in just a few days, it gained 1.8 million views. From those views alone, the channel has already earned around $7,100 in just 7 days. And that's not all. There's also a TikTok channel doing the same kind of content, but with a fun twist, they mix it with cooking vlogs. That channel is blowing up too, with millions of followers, views, and likes. This niche is still not crowded. That means you have a great chance to start now before it gets too popular. You can start your own YouTube Shorts channel, Instagram page, or TikTok account and possibly earn thousands of dollars every month. And if you're wondering how to make these
Okay,
kinds
I
of
woke up
viral
on a
videos,
glacier.
don't worry. I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, we need a strong story. Something that's eye-catching, engaging, and grabs attention right away. To create this story, we'll use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, click Try ChatGPT Now. On the left side, click the GPTs tab. In the search bar at the top, type Bigfoot. You'll see a custom tool that generates Bigfoot stories. Click on it to get started. Type this in the prompt box. Write a blog script for Bigfoot. Today we will go on a journey to a glacier land, catch a fish in an ice pond, and then cook it. You don't need to write a full story, just give ChatGPT a basic idea or concept, and it will create a complete blog script for you. Then click Generate, and in a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a full blog story for you. Just copy it and go for the next part. Now that our story is ready, we need a video prompt. Just go to the GPT's search box, type Bigfoot, and you will find the VO3 option. Click on it, and you'll get a video prompt ready to use. Click on Start Chat. Paste the story you just created using ChatGPT. Then add this format to make it flow smoothly. Subject, action, camera angle, environment, dialogue, audio. This helps create a clear and detailed scene for your video. After that, just click Generate, and in a few seconds, your video prompt will be ready. As you can see, these video prompts are detailed and well organized. They help keep the video on track, making sure the audience stays engaged and doesn't get bored. Now let's bring the video prompt to life. For this, we'll use Gemini powered by VO3. If VO3 isn't available in your country, don't worry, just use a VPN. Here's what to do. Go to Gemini AI. Now click on the video option. Then, select VO3 from the list. Paste your first video prompt into the box and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready.
Okay, I woke up on a glacier. Don't ask how. I sleepwalk aggressively. My left foot is frozen. My right foot is negotiating.
After that, simply follow the same steps to create the next video prompt. It's quick and easy and fun.
Found an ice pond. Definitely cursed. Smells like expired dreams and freezer burn. Perfect place to catch lunch.
Repeat the same steps for the other parts of the story or for additional scenes. This way, you can turn your entire story into a full video series. Once each part of the story is turned into a video, it's time to put everything together into one complete video. To do this, we will use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your video clips in the correct order. Make sure to follow the sequence of your story. Once the clips are added to the timeline, arrange them in the right order just as your story flows. Then, add transitions between the clips and include any effects you like to make the video more engaging. When you're done editing, export the video in high quality so it looks great when shared or uploaded.